today we are going to be talking about a product that is mind-blowing because according to him, the features this thing provides is unbelievable for its price range, right? So this is the Soundpeats C30. At Simplytech right now, it's going for 5,500. And let's get to the specifications now. Okay, what's the best part of this product?
So obviously it's going to be mainly the noise cancellation facility, by the way. So it comes with a 52 decibel noise cancellation. The decibel rate is like insane, by the way. And overall the performance of the earbuds. So this comes with a 12mm dynamic driver. Overall the bass quality and everything is going to be standard. And when you come for the microphones as well, this comes with 6 microphones. The microphone quality and everything is going to be good. 3 each side, by the way. So you can use it in the calls as well, but not that much recommended for outdoor calling, by the way. But say indoor calling, obviously it's going to be fine.
Okay, so we reviewed the R50 INC, right? And the specifications kind of beat the R50 INC, and that one is priced at how much right now?
It's going to be around 7,500, the last market price. Yeah.
7,000.
7,000.
Anyways, now, I think the sacrifices the company has done for this product is the quality in hand. This plastic case is it's very cheap, right? I will show you. I play video in front, like feels like if it falls, it might break. So it seems fragile. Now opening the case, you can open it with one hand. For me personally, the fit is fine. Actually, I think this is one of the best fits I've ever had, bro. This is one of the best fits I've ever had in my ears. And this touch. Touch?
Yeah, it comes with a touch control. This comes with a customization in the app as well.
Okay.
For touch control as well as the music equalizer, by the way. So if you want
also
just
app control is there. Okay.
Yeah. So Pete's audio app, by the way. So you can equalize it if you just need the treble much higher or the detail in the bass and stuff. You can equalize it through the app.
Okay. This explain to the audience about this high resolution audio wireless LDAC thing.
So LDAC is a codec, by the way. It just improves the music quality. Now when it comes for the LDAC codec, it just need to support it by the devices, the phones and stuffs, and the high resolution audio. The LDAC comes with the high resolution audio, so the music quality would be enhanced by this high resolution audio and this LDAC codec. But some phones doesn't support the LDAC, so it should be a phone which supports LDAC. And the normal AC and SBC codecs being supported for this. And the battery life also is pretty decent, by the way. So 10 hours of battery life, 52 hours in the charging case. So even though it's going to be 10 hours with the noise cancellation facility and the maximum volume, you can use it up to like around 5 to 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours, all like that. And yeah, pretty fine model. 52 hours in the charging case. So you can put it in the charging case and charge it for like around 4 or 5 times, by the way. Yeah.
So 500 milliamp hour charging case and 40 milliamp hour earbuds.
Fast charging option as well. From 10 minutes, you can use it for like around 3 hours, as they mentioned.
Fast charging earbuds, perfect, really nice. Okay, that's fine. So there is a maximum working distance of 10 meters,
yes.
right? Yeah. Okay, and the other thing is explain about this Bluetooth version 6.0 where R50 INC, I think that's the recent one, right? Or R60 is the recent one.
R50 INC comes with the 5.3 battery Bluetooth version, by the way. So this comes with the 6.0 better connectivity, to be frankly. So the distance is going to be 10 meters, by the way, but still Bluetooth 6.0, a new model, so the Bluetooth version is much more new.
Which means what is that
connectivity? Better connectivity, by the way.
Connectivity. What about the quality of the audio?
The quality of the audio would be similar, but the thing is the connectivity would be the main thing that will be
latency.
Latency would be normally good. This comes with a separate game mode as well. You can activate through the app, by the way. So
what about the water resistance?
So comes with a rating of like IPX4, I guess, for sweat proof. Mainly going to be sweat proof. Not that much recommended in using in the rainy time and those stuffs, but still fine.
So I guess so. Then, who would you suggest this type of product for?
Most probably a person who's just looking for like in a budget-friendly model to using like noise cancellation, and a customer who purchases it like first time, they need to experience the noise cancellation facility, and comes with a better microphone quality as well. So most of the students and the persons who like really new to the industry for the earbuds and stuffs, so I'll recommend that.
Not for fitness people because of the water resistance.
The IP rating is not that much standard, so you can use it, by the way, but still not meant to use for the fitness guys.
So someone who is going to the like a coffee shop and studying, or studying at home with the earbuds on.
Obviously.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so I think that's almost it about this product. Amazing product from Soundpeats. 12. Did we talk about the dynamic drivers?
Yes, comes with a 12mm dynamic driver, better bass quality by the way. So yeah,
What about the hybrid active noise cancellation?
52 decibel noise cancellation by the way. So
Did we say that? Did we talk about
Yeah,
that?
we
Okay.
did talk about it.
Okay, fine.